Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Lattice Performance Management Review My Usage Experience. Lattice Performance Management Review My Usage Experience offers a platform for conducting employee performance reviews. It's aimed at HR departments and managers in companies of all sizes, focusing on streamlining the review process and providing tools for feedback and goal setting. Key features seem to include goal tracking, 360-degree feedback, and performance rating systems. Their website provides details on specific functionalities and pricing. Lattice positions itself as a user-friendly alternative to more cumbersome performance review systems. They emphasize ease of use and integration with existing HR tools. Their website highlights features designed to improve employee engagement and facilitate more productive performance conversations. Pricing is detailed on their site, though specific costs depend on the number of users and features. They don't appear to have contracts, which is a plus for many organizations. Availability is global. You can check their website to see if it fits your location and needs. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Lattice Performance Management Review My Usage Experience. Setting up the system was surprisingly straightforward. The onboarding process was well guided, and I was able to import existing employee data with minimal fuss. Navigating the interface was intuitive. I especially liked how easily I could customize the review templates to suit our company's specific needs. For example, I added a section for employees to self-assess their skills and identify areas for professional development. The system performed flawlessly during our first review cycle. Generating reports was quick and easy, and the data visualization tools were very helpful. I had a quick question about integrating Lattice with our payroll system, and their support responded within a day via email. Fantastic! I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard was. The standout feature for me was definitely the ability to track goals and progress throughout the year, not just during the formal review period. One minor drawback was the lack of a mobile app, though this wasn't a major issue for us. It took me a little while to get used to the advanced settings for configuring review workflows, but once I understood them, it was pretty powerful. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Lattice. It's a significant upgrade from our previous, clunky system, and it has significantly streamlined our performance review process. That's my overview of Lattice Performance Management Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.